Hi, my name is Chris Wade and I am a contractor from the city of Los Angeles, and today we're going to show you how to clean abrasive floor tile. Here we are trying to clean some abrasive tile. We've got some stubborn stains, and we're going to use a little bit of baking soda. Just spread it around there. You want to spray it with some peroxide. Get it on the fine mist. We've spread out our baking soda and we just want to mist it with some peroxide. Just kind of get it in there and get it a little half peroxide, half water. And then we just want to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes and let it just absorb that stain, whether it be coffee, tea, soda pop, or pee, whatever it may be. And then you just want to get in there and just, scrub too hard on the grout because you don't want to scratch it or damage it. And I'm just using just a normal kitchen scrubbing pad. Nothing too heavy. Gives it a little bit of extra oomph to get that stain up. Once you do that, you want to take your clean sponge with some clean water and just wipe it up. A couple wipes will do it. And that pretty much is going to take care of that. So if you have some of those really hard to get stains on your abrasive tile, a little bit of baking soda, half and half water and peroxide, common kitchen scrubbing pad, some clean water, warm water, clean it up. And there you have it.